this past Saturday, y'all, I had a book signing at the Lady and Sons here in Savannah. And, you know, I just love all my friends out there that I'm maybe meeting for the first time. Y'all are so sweet, and I just love y'all so much. So one of the girls brought me a gnome for my Christmas decorations. Isn't he cute? I've actually got to get a battery and put in him. I don't know what he's going to do after we put the battery in him. But that's so cute, and I thank you so much. I just wanted to share that with y'all. He is so cute. So speaking of cute, y'all, this next recipe that I'm going to share with you from one of our viewer friends out there, it's just so sweet. She said, "Hello from Oregon, Paula. Thought I'd share a photo of my childhood shortbread cookie recipe. I've made bags of them for my extended family every Christmas since writing this card about 40 years ago. So simple and absolutely irresistible. Best wishes from my kitchen to yours." So we've got to thank Suzanne. Payson, P-A-S-I-O-N. If it would be like passion if it had two S's, but I think you would pronounce that Payson. It's from the Payson family. And I want to show y'all Suzanne's
original
card.
recipe.
This is the card that she wrote it on over 40 years ago. And that is just great. You know, I've got some recipes in my brother's child handwriting because he wanted our mama to cook him some recipes that Grandma Paul had cooked. So he got on the phone and he wrote down that recipe so Mama would make them. And I love that. So she called them cookie stamp shortbread. I don't know what the stamp is for, but that's what she called them. So I'm going to beat our butter. And it's nice and soft, so it's not going to take a whole bunch of beating. I'm going to add our powdered sugar. Thank you, Eddie. It's not powdered sugar, y'all. I'm adding our light brown sugar. And we're just going to cream this up. We're going to add our flour. And we're going to roll these cookies into a ball, y'all. And then we're going to roll them in just plain white sugar. And then we're going to put them on the cookie sheet. We're just going to stamp them down. Like she told us to do over 40 years ago. Suzanne tells us to roll these into a 1-inch ball. So that looks like about an inch, doesn't it? I'd say so.
Yeah.
I would say so.
She says how many it makes, doesn't she? She says like 2 dozen.
If she tells us, I can't. I don't.
It may not. I've looked at so many recipes.
I know. Did you find a stamp, Eddie?
No.
Okay. There's our stamp. Suzanne, the picture of your cookies are so pretty, and it looks like you used a turbinado or a castor sugar because, I mean, it just looks so good on there. So I did have some turbinado sugar, but is all turbinado is made from cane, so is it all kind of dark? Anyway, Suzanne, I added some of the turbinado sugar to our white sugar, and I'm just going to see if that makes a difference. But look, we've got some coarse sugar in green from my Christmas cookie makings. So I'm going to roll these in green sugar too, because it's got that thicker looking sugar like your cookies appear to have on it. So I think that'd be appropriate for Christmas, don't you? Oh yeah. We're gonna have some pretty green cookies with a crispy little crunch of sugar. Look, that cookie just broke.
That's how it's supposed to.
Mm. 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 Y'all don't like this.
Good try.
I'm lying. Dear delicious Suzanne, and thank you for sharing this cookie recipe that you hold dear in your heart from your childhood. Thank you so much for sharing it with the rest of us. Butter, flour, and sugar. That's it.
Brown sugar is the best part of it.
Brown sugar. Thank you, Suzanne. Merry Christmas. Love and best dishes. From your kitchen to mine, right? And from her kitchen. Thank you, girl. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.